Good day, everyone. We want to continue with our questions on surds. We have this question: find the value of sine 45 degrees minus cos 30 degrees. What's sine 45 degrees? Sine 45 degrees is 1 over root 2, while cos 45 degrees is root 3 over 2. So what this simply means is 1 over root 2 minus root 3 over 2. So 1 over root 2, if we rationalize, it will give us root 2 over 2. So what we have here is root 2 over 2 minus root 3 over 2. The lowest common factor is 2. So what we have is root 2 minus root 3. So this would be the answer that we have, root 2 minus root 3 over 2 for this particular question. Rationalize 2 minus root 5 over 3 minus root 5. So what we have, when we have this kind of thing, what do? We rationalize with a conjugate surd. And what's the conjugate surd? 3 plus root 5 over, so 3 plus root 5. What do we have? 3 times 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5 minus 5. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. Plus times minus is minus. Here we have 3 times 3 is 9 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Plus 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5, that will give us minus root 5 over 4. This becomes the answer we have for this question. X. Find the value of x if root 2 over x plus root 2 equals 1 over x minus root 2. We are to find the value of x in this, so we just cross multiply. X plus root 2 will give us root 2 into bracket x minus root 2. X plus root 2 will give us root 2 times x root 2, open and close bracket, x minus root 2. So let's expand the bracket, open up the bracket. We have x root 2 minus 2. So let's collect the like times that we have. So we have x root 2 minus x will give us root 2 plus 2. So x will give us root 2 plus 2 over minus 1. So we can leave our answer this way, or we move forward and then do the conjugate. Multiply both sides by the conjugate. What do we have? Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Root 2 times 1 is root 2. 2 times root 2, that's 2 root 2 plus 2 over. Since this is conjugate, what we have is 2 minus 1. So our final answer will be what? 2 plus 2 is 4. Root 2 plus 2 root 2, that will give us plus 3 root 2. This will become our answer, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4. Root 2 plus 2 root 2 will give us 3 root 2. So our final answer will be 4 plus 3 root 2. X becomes 4 plus 3 root 2. Another question. If 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2 over root 5 minus root 2 equals a plus b root 10, where a and b are rational numbers. Find a minus b. Find a minus b. So these questions we just express it. 2 minus root 2 root 5 plus 4 root 2 over 5 root 5 minus root 2. So when we have a question like this, we just rationalize by multiplying both sides with the conjugate. That's root 5 plus root 2. 2 root 5 times 5, that's 10. 2 root 5 times root 5, that's 10. That's 2 times 5 is 10. 2 root 5 times root 2, that's 2 root 10, plus 4 root 2 times root 5, that's 4 root 10. 4 root 2 times root 2, that's 2 times root 2 times root 2 is 2 times 4, that's 8, over, these are conjugate sums, so what we have is root 5 times root 5, that's 5, minus root 2 times root 2, that's 2. So that will give us 10 plus, that's 18, plus 6 root 10 over 3. So what's the commonality here? 3. So we say 3 into 6 plus 2 root 10 over 3. 3 we got 3. So the answer we will have will be 6 plus 2 root 10. Now they told us a plus b root 10 will be equals to 6 plus 2 root 10. So our a minus b will be what? A will be 6 minus 2. So that will give us 4. So our final answer will be 4. Because we are told that a plus b root 10 gives us the expression, the solution, the simplification of this question above. So a plus b root 10 is the same thing as 6 plus 2 root 10. So a becomes 6, b becomes 2. So a minus b will be 6 minus 2, and that will give us 4 as our answer. 5. 5 plus root 7 over 3 plus root 7. So 5 plus root 7 over 3 plus root 7. Multiply both sides by 3 minus root 7 as the conjugate. 3 minus root 7. Let's multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times minus root 7 is minus 5 root 7. Plus root 7 times 3 is plus 3 root 7. Minus and minus is plus. Root 7 times 7 is 7. So the conjugate here is difference of 2 squared. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 7. Root 7 times 7 times root 7 is 7. Minus times minus is minus times plus is minus. So what we have, 15 minus 7 is 8. Minus 5 root 7 plus 3 root 7, that's minus 2 root 7 all over 2. So the commonality here will be 2. 4 minus root 7 over 2. 2 open bracket, 4 minus root 7 close bracket over 2. So 2 we got 2. So our final answer will be 4 minus root root 7 as our answer. 4 minus root 7. And with this, we come to the end of our questions on sorts. Thank you. In the next class, we'll be talking about number bases, how to move from base 10 to other bases, from other bases to base 10, and from one base that is not base 10 to another base that is not base 10. Thank you. Meet you in the